Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So finally wedding season is here, so I thought to share a easy get ready with me guys and a simple and elegant eye look which you can create within 10 to 15 minutes and save some time. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm started with applying lots of aloe vera gel because I'm really fond of aloe vera gel these days. I really love to apply aloe vera gel no matter what the season is, what the weather is, what the time is, whether I'm staying in home or outside. I just love to apply this, and this is from Nature's. And yeah, I love to apply different brands aloe vera gel because I'm an aloe vera gel lover because it's really beneficial for your skin. Next, I'm directly using this powder from Blue Heaven. If you want, then you can apply the CC Cream first, then set your entire face with the powder. But in my case, I'm just opt for the powder because I get bad wala tan due to my last vacation to Andaman. And yes, and those are like still with me. It will take more few weeks to get rid of. So I'm just applying powder all over my face, and it gives me decent coverage, as well as it just cover me up so that my oiliness doesn't show off much, although it's winter and my skin gets dry like dessert. Anyways, I'm started with eye makeup, and for that I'm using this palette by Wet n Wild India, Rosé in the Air, and this is my love, my heart. I really love this palette. I have done the entire review about it. If you want to know, then please click on the card section or go to the description box to get the link. And I'm applying these colors one by one and gently blending it and blending it. Make sure that you take a bit more time to blend each and everything so that you will get a blended eye look like I am doing right now, just blending and blending. And yes, I'm blending it to mix those two colors and create that nice gradient effect on my eyes. And then using this eyeshadow palette from L.A.COLOURS, and this is in shade Frisky. This palette is totally love guys. All the eyeshadow feels so buttery and creamy. It lies onto your eyelids so smoothly and easily, like it feels like a foil eyeshadow. Just look, although I didn't get my actually applicator, so that I'm using this tiny one which they provide with their eye palette. It's me, I forgot stuffs where I put them. So yeah, I'm apply this with this, and the shimmers are like so nice, really pure love. And then applying that same pink color from Rosé in the Air palette on my lower waterline to balance the color of upper and lower portion so that it won't look odd or something else. Okay, and then I'm taking this brown eye pencil from Miss Clear and drawing a liner near to my lashes. These days I'm very fond of brown and green and blues, except the typical black ones. Yes, maybe this is happened because of the wedding season, or it might be happen maybe it's fall or winter. And yes, I'm applying green kajal on my lower waterline to add some more color in my eye look, and applying a bit thicker than the usual because I love thicker colored eye look. And then applying generous amount of mascara because mascaras will help you to open up your eyes even more. So apply generous amount of mascara whenever you're applying mascara. And this is from MaybellineXGigihadid one. And then for my highlighter, to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, this is from Incolour Baked Highlighter, and the shade name will be mentioned in the description box, so please go and check that out. And yes, I'm done with my eye look. I hope you guys like it. And then applying blush to add some pop of color on my cheeks, and this is from Blue Heaven, the diamond blush in shade 506. It's a decently pigmented blush as the price you pay, so don't expect much because expectations leads to disappointment, so stop expecting much. And applying highlighter all of the high points of my face, because I really love highlighters. I love binding highlighters, although it's a reception makeover, so I'm applying the minimum amount of it, because I don't want to look gorgeous than the bride. I hope you guys understand. So yeah, and lastly I'm finishing off my look with applying lipstick. This is from Sugar, then Smudge Me Not lipstick in shade Brink of Spring. I really love this color. It suits every Indian skin tone, and yeah, it's a bit drying out, but if you moisturize your lips nicely, then you can rock this. And yeah, this is my finishing look with some bangles, bindi and jhumka, cause I wore a patiala. So yes, I hope you guys like this, find this helpful. If you didn't, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and lots of love. Bye guys.